clothes and mommy buy it from me.
Oh, it's good.
Super good. I like it. I pick it on my own. And then I have a new bag for my sports, for my school also. And then on the bag I have a carry bag. This is for this. Carry for my balls. Where's my spotted ball?
Okay, show it how to attach the balls.
How it has a ball.
You can see your beautiful bag. Okay, show it to everyone. Wow. And where to put the shoes?
That queen.
Shoes inside your bag, right? The shoes. Wow, che bello.
That's it. Oh, circle.
Ay.
Into one.
Then what did you bought again? Other things?
New shirt and the jacket, the new one from Spotted Boy, and the pants.
Wow.
That's
The
good.
new one.
New one.
My mommy bought it for me.
Yes.
It's like give me that.
Oh my God.
Oh.
It's for my
What's the use of that?
for
Tell
my
them.
for my name.
Show it to them in the video.
May autograph ka na, ha? Ooh, bravo.
Galing.
Wow.
Galing ang baby.